to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we will show you how to remove or how to replace rear door on Chevy Cruze, guys. We're talking about a whole door assembly. If you want to just see how to take the door apart and everything like door panel, regulators, all that stuff, we'll have the videos on the channel. In addition, guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, guys, and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So it should work, guys, for the whole first generation, maybe even helpful on the second generation. We'll demonstrate on the rear right side, but the rear left will be about the same way. Here we have the wiring harness. That's the first thing that we're going to disconnect. How we do that? Okay, right here you can see that bump. You need to press down. Okay, press down and at the same time pull out the top side first. Then slide up, get the that cover out. Now what we're going to do here, guys, as you can see, guys, this is your wiring harness here, okay, for the door. So that's what we'll need to disconnect now. And those guys, okay, sometimes they could be pretty tricky. So we'll explain how to do that in a second. Next, get a small screwdriver, guys, okay, and gently pry, okay, like this one. Okay, and that connector, guys, okay, will slide out. Okay, we're ready with the wiring harness. Now be careful not to pinch it or anything like that. What we'll be doing next, guys, okay, we can actually remove them from right here. Okay, we have 2 bolts on top, 2 bolts on the bottom. But before that, okay, what we'll be doing, okay, we need to open the door, okay, and we'll need to remove, okay, 1 bolt right here. Check it out. This is the one that prevents the door from opening and closing too fast and holds the door so it doesn't shut on you. Okay, this thing is pretty tight, so we'll need to do it by hand, and then we probably can use the impact. Most of the times they even have thread locker on those for some reason. I'm telling you, it is tight, really tight. Okay, let's see if it's going to do it now. We probably should have got new battery for the impact as well. This one is ready, but now, okay, what we'll be doing, okay, we're going to go ahead and remove these bolts. Okay, that's stopped now. Okay, if you don't want to scratch your door, I'll recommend, okay, to leave it like that and just be very careful how you close it, okay, because you may scratch, okay, you may scratch your okay, it's good, it didn't scratch. I just want to make sure. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead, close the door all the way. That way it's not going to drop too much. I'm going to hold it with one hand really good while one person is removing the bolts, guys. Okay, let me show you what we're doing. Okay, the door will drop, guys, so you need to go ahead, open it now. I'll grab it here. Okay, and we can pull the whole door assembly out just like that. You can see it took like less than 5 minutes to remove the whole door. If you guys remove it from the hinges, it's not good, because later you have to adjust everything and that takes quite a bit of time. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.